Alright guys, so how are we? I'm going to do a wee video today on TrueCoach, the new app that we're using. So this will replace your Google Sheets. It'll get away anything, any excuse that you don't have time to fill in your sheets. Okay, so I'm going to just run through everything that TrueCoach offers, how you work it, how to get into everything, and how to insert the things that we need you to put in. Alright, so I'm going to use Kelly as an example, as she has gave me her full permission to show this. So this is what you will see, guys. You'll see something similar to like that. So we are on the 5th of October today, so here. So your workout, full workout will be here, guys. So every workout is there, everything you have to do. And for yous it'll be a bit different. So if I went on this, it'll be different for yous. For yous in this wee bit here, below this, there will be a wee plus, and that plus lets you add in a weight. So all you do is you hit that wee plus that's here, and you add the weight in for whatever you had done for that day. So if Kelly had done a front squat at 50 kilograms for 8 reps, then she would put 50 for 8. Alright? So it's very, very easy to work, different for sheet. A lot easier from sheets. So everyone thought the sheets were a bit confusing. Weren't sure their week numbers or where their session dates was. So this clears it up because it'll automatically come for you guys. So here every single day is in. Go down, you go to the 12th. That is there too. So Monday the 12th, 13th, 14th. Programs 1 to 3. This week we have programs 4 to 6, guys. Okay. So there is that. And then Kelly for here. So you'll have your goals. So Kelly's goals will be to tone her stomach, weight loss and muscle mass increase. Alright, so she'll have her goals there. You should all have goals here. Nutrition, guys, this is the biggest one. Okay, so your nutrition will be at the top here. So your protein, your minimum fats, your fibre and your water is here. Alright, so from here you will be able to see that it says MyFitnessPal. For those who have not connected MyFitnessPal, this is the biggest thing we need you to do. So here it will say connect and it'll have a wee dot. So all we need you to do is hit that wee dot and turn it to connected. So this automatically syncs anything you put in MyFitnessPal straight to TrueCoach. So we're scrapping the excuse of I didn't have time to fill in my sheets. Any of that, that's all away. So within 24 hours, anything from MyFitnessPal will sync right into this, and then we will be able to see that. So from here, Kelly's from yesterday is already synced in. So her calories here are carbs, protein, fat, fibre. Okay, so you can see everything in a breakdown, and it is a lot easier compared to your sheets. So we can see that within 24 hours, guys. It's a lot easier. And then finally, your metrics. So your metrics, you will have weight. So that is your body weight. So this is what we need you to still do every single day. So your weight, all you do to insert your weight is you click on the body weight and you add new result. So any result you have from each day, you add it in there. So if Kelly woke up this morning and she was 56, so we put that there, the date of today, so that would be the 5th, and then she would hit save. And then once she puts that in, it'll come up in this bit here, which will have a graph, everything about Kelly's body weight. So if her body weight was dropping, she would be able to see that in the graph. If it was going steady, she would be able to see it. If it was going up, it's very easy to see. So the graph allows this to happen, it allows you to still be able to monitor it. And it's the same with the steps, guys. So the steps is a different one too. Kelly's target for steps, as you can see here, is 12,000. And then it's the exact same script, guys. So you just hit new result. And then from your watch or your step counter, you would just put in how much you got in. So Kelly only got 10,000 in, 10,000. Today's date, boom. And then that's all she has to do for that. Very, very easy to work, guys. So if you wanted to have a message with us too, so if you wanted to send us a message, all you do is you hit this box and that lets you chat with your trainer automatically, but you might have seen Reese's video earlier as well. So we will have new systems in place. Instead of the check-ins every week, you'll be able to check in every single day. So if you need to ask questions, if you need to check in, then all you do is you book a check-in call with us, and we'll get that sorted for you. Any problems you have get sorted anytime, guys. So 24/7 you'll be able to book in. And that is that for Truecoach, guys. So everything you need is in here. Every single thing. All we ask you to do is the metrics. So fill your metrics out, so your body weight every day, your steps, and connect this to MyFitnessPal. Alright guys, so it's very easy. Then everything you need for MyFitnessPal, if you haven't already, then this is what you do. Your carbs make up the rest. And then that is you set on Truecoach, guys. So if there's any questions about Truecoach, don't be afraid to drop a wee comment in this post or message me directly and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So as soon as we get any messages from any of you, and if there's anything we need to sort on our side, then we'll get it done as soon as possible, guys. Alright? But I hope that helps you, and I will see you later, guys. Thank you.